It was so amazing.
It's really good.
Super.
I enjoyed it, to be honest. I mean, I think it's a lot better when you come face to face in the classes.
It was absolutely amazing.
Motivative, by the way. I was stuck in between, but now I'm fully motivated with the session.
If I have any doubts, I know that Miles will be the one to clear all those things in a one go.
Crazy demand that's happening, and in all these roles they want as many CPAs as they can find.
I think the tips that he shared, I am going to remember that for now.